to the video today, guys. I know it's been quite a while since I did an update and a video on the trailer here. So for anybody new, this is a 1953 Spartan Royal Spartanette that I rescued from the backwoods of Vermont about a year ago. And I spent all of last summer restoring this trailer, but then I had to wrap it up for the winter, and now I'm back working on it again now that the weather's broken. So the video you're going to see today is actually footage that I took last summer when I did the Marmoleum flooring in the trailer here. I started by laying down a foam underlayment that will dampen the sound and make the floor feel a whole lot better under your feet. I started to lay out a handful of the tiles to get a sense of how they would fit together. I'm not going to say that the installation process was easy by any means, but it also wasn't too difficult. I made up these blocks that I cut at a 30-degree angle to help hold up a row while I locked in the tiles. This made it much easier for a one-person job. The front was pretty straightforward, but the Spartan has a lot of curved corners, so that's where the progress begins to slow down. You can use the box that the tiles come in as a template to help get the right shapes, and each corner is a tedious process because you have to get the radius correct, but also allow the tile to move the way it needs to lock into the surrounding tiles. Now that's the hard part. Now I chose the Marmoleum click lock tiles because I wanted to stay true to the original look and feel. And the Saker Edge tool is a lifesaver during this process. So you can see I used the Saker Edge tool to transfer the radius onto the cardboard, which I then test fit. Then once I know that the line is correct, I transfer that onto the Marmoleum tile. You will become very handy with a jigsaw after this. Once I got to the bathroom area, then the cuts became even more difficult with all the angles and curves, especially in the bathroom. Again, you need to make sure that you are thinking through not just how it will fit once it's laid down, but how it will need to move in order to lock in. So I bought 8 boxes of the 12 by 36 inch tile, which was 160 square feet. This was the perfect amount down to the tile, but I think that was just luck though. All in all, I would recommend using this in a trailer if you are not removing all of the cabinets and walls to lay a Marmoleum sheet. This is a premium floor, so it is by no means the cheapest option, but it sticks with the originality, and the look and feel are unparalleled. So leave a comment, let me know what you think of this color. I absolutely love it. It looks beautiful in here, and it really brings you back to the 50s. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you leave a like on this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, because there's going to be a lot more of this content coming out, as well as videos on the ambulance conversion I'm doing as well.